The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2017 through 2024 Mazda CX5 with the bare roof. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo Clamp base rack system. This is made up of the WingBar Evo load bars, 53 inches in length. Black shown here, but silver is also available. The Evo foot pack, which comes in a set of 4, and the vehicle-specific clamp kit, number 145079. Locks can be added if you want to add a security element, but not required. Overall, the crossbars are spaced at 27.5 inches center to center and has a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed. So a great rack for bikes, kayaks, and other cargo needs. So this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete rack system with a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. That's it for this one. Like always, thanks for watching.